Okay guys, Monday, 2 weeks ago, actually it's been about 12 days, my Garrett Propointer was giving me trouble, so I sent it back to Garrett with a form. I didn't call him, I just mailed it back to him, told him what was wrong with it. I got it back today. So I thought, well, let's open the box. Let's see what was wrong with it, or if anything. And packing slip says August repair, customer service, no charge. They did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that was the labor charge. It looks like they repaired the coil. They put a battery in it. They repaired the speaker. And labor. I don't know what that repair is, the first repair, but they did several things to it, looks like. And sent it back. So there's no charge. It came back FedEx. I sent it post office. So let's just see. Service was excellent as far as the charges and the price and maybe the timing. Well, good grief, it looks like a brand new one. I'll have to compare the serial number, but it really looks brand new. Super. Well, we'll take it out tomorrow and give it a shot. I give Garrett a 2 thumbs up. They fixed it, sent it back. Didn't quite take 2 weeks. No fuss, no muss. Gosh, you can't ask for any better than that.